Welcome to the Automation Anywhere Community Edition Bot Insight demo. To get started, you should be logged into the control room using the credentials you received in the welcome email. Click Launch Bot Insight for operational and business insights. Bot Insight provides real-time operational and business analytics with no integration required for bots that have been run. We have provided sample data for you to get acquainted with the functionality. 3 sets of sample data exist: ATM data, telecom data, and mortgage data. This particular view is a dashboard of mortgage loan data. Here we can click on a variety of items and zoom into analytic specifics. For example, loan balance by marital status and mortgage type, or get details on mortgages processed in specific states such as California. We can look at the sample ATM data. For instance, we can view geographical data regarding ATM transactions from banks in specific states. Feel free to click on other sample data items and further explore Bot Insight. Thank you for your interest in Automation Anywhere Community Edition.